Good day. We are here again in Solidworks 2013, and I am tasked again with another activity wherein we will be invoking an activity that we have created beforehand into a Solidworks drawing. So, in order to do that, I have created a template already for the Solidworks drawing that we have done. So, I created it in advance. So, you can see template. And this is the paper that we will be doing the SolidWorks drawing on. So you can see there's borders created and a title block which consists of the title and the kind of activity. So I will just leave this later on. I might change this for the final output. So this is just the default uh, text here. So as you can see, here's also the paper size and sheet 1 of 1. Started off, let us press model view, browse, and what I will be doing a SolidWorks drawing is activity 3. So you can see we are invoking here. So as isometric view. So this is the figure or the activity that we will be putting a drawing on. So I will change its scale, custom scale 1:1. Check. After that, I will be creating a different set of views by using model again and browse. The same activity also, activity 3. Wherein we will be using the front view atop the the front view, and here is the bottom view and the left view. After that, we just simply put dimensions on it. So let us start it off here. So what would I do first is create center line so we can know that it is connected here. Let's mark dimension. So we measure this first. 57.40. Oh, it should be in inches. I forgot. It should be 2.26, which is correct. Uh, the distance between these two circles, 2.75, and width of this. After that, we create a dimension for this circle, so we can uh, make it into a radius, display as radius, and 0.30. Oh, let's just make it as diameter instead, and we just write 4 times because there are 4 circles here, so you can see. Next, we'll be creating the fillet dimension at 50. So that's it for the bottom view. Next, we have the front view wherein we will just dimension the circle here and also here. So just edit, remove the, and again, it's better if it's diameter after removing it. Display as diameter, where is that one? Display as diameter, display as diameter also. After that, we create the distance of this circle to the to this side. Oops. This circle, the center of that circle, and adjust it. So that's all for the front view. Let's move on to the side view wherein we can measure this length of it. Um, from this point to this point is 2.66, which is correct. And another one, the thickness of this and this needs to be 0.38, and this needs to be length of 3, and the angle between this, oops, the angle of this to this must be 30 degrees. So you can see we have done the needed measurements here. So I think these measurements are enough for this. And as for the other measurements, we can just do it here on the isometric view. So selecting this point and this point, this point also, this, this, I mean, this and this one here, 2.38. The distance between these two circles, and also here the distance between these two circles, and the thickness, which equals to 0.31. The same goes here, the thickness. This is 0.31 also. The distance between this and the circle on the back. Um, wait, we just edit this part first so we can see the circle in the back. So you can see, we can see now the circle in the back. So we just do that in order to find the distance, which is 1.38. Check. And we can always go back to the other one in order to do it again. See. Okay, now that's settled. There's a few more that we need to consider, like the circles here. We need to display it as diameter and change it into 4 times because there are 4 circles. And the distance between these is again 0.31, and the distance between this is 0.06. Oh yeah, I think that covers all of it. Now we will be just putting some notes so we can know. So this is an isometric view with a scale of 1:1. And change also by let's make it 18. Close it. We can do it also to others. So let me check first the scaling of this, which is 1:2. We just copy it. and paste it here. You can change the make it a little smaller. So from what I know, this is left, left, left view. Scale is 1:2. Push it and just copy it. This is front view. Copy. Bottom view. We have it. So by editing this sheet format, we can change it. The title is, let's say it's a mechanical part. Rearranging it. And this is activity, exit it, check, exit. There you have it. So this is the activity 3 put into SolidWorks drawing. So I think that would be all. And thank you for staying with me until the end.